This is Bowman Chrome 2-box break giveaway Yankees. We're going to grab this list, randomize it 5 times, take the Yankees out. They can't win themselves. Whoever's on top at the end wins Yankees. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Winners are Blue Jays. Toronto wins 5 times. Let's get rid of it. Here we go. That's it. 24-hour stream gets closer and closer. The Toronto is with Darren Williams. Alrighty, here we go. Final break of the evening. Let's do this thing. Big night. 5.5 hours, ranging towards 6. Here we go. Why the hell do I like the block on Facebook? Unlike. Have I unfollowed? Yeah, thank you. Fuck off. What the hell? Like, is this the end of the tape or something? It is. Oh my god. This is the end of their little tape roll thing. That's cool as hell. But I'm going to keep it aside just in case something fucked happens with this box. Okay. In fact, I'm going to open it now because I'm scared. But here we go. That's strange. Boom. Arenado. 40-man futures Max Meyer. Jason Dominguez prospect and CJ Abrams. Jeez, everything worth keeping there except Arenado. End of the line. Yes. Josh Donaldson. Real motor. Reed Detmers. Nick York. Hunter Green. Yeah, whoever's in charge of the old plastic rabbit. Francisco Lindor. Freddie Freeman. And nice to just 99. Mick Abel. And if I've heard anything about him, he's pretty good. Prospect for Philadelphia. Green Shimmer. Adley Rutschman and Francisco Alvarez. Miguel Cabrera, Keibert Ruiz. 40-man futures, Jeremy De La Rosa. Drew Waters and Manuel Beltre. Luis Patino, Spencer Howard. To 499, Dalton Jeffries, rookie auto. So not a prospect, but a rookie from the old Bowman Chrome. 332 of 499. Oh, my body is getting so sore. Po Yu Chen, Eduardo Garcia. Perdomo, Harvey Baez. Green to 99, veteran Whit Merrifield. Kevin Maid and Josiah Gray. Alrighty, my eye is getting tired. It's probably a good time to finish up soon. Goldschmidt, Mike Trout, nice. 40-man futures, Yoleko Cespedes, Mika Bell, and Matthew Liberatore. I don't even know what that is. It's just like the sticker that goes at the end or the start. Joe Adele, nice. Ryan Jeffers. Wander Franco, summer camp. Jordan Groshans, Miguel Amaya. Bob Dalbeck, Sixer Sanchez. Trent DeVoe, Dawn of Glory. Zach Veen, Jeter Downs. Tristan McKenzie, Casey Myers, 40-man futures refractor, Emerson Hancock, Stalin Aguilar, Malcolm Nunes. Charlie Blackman, Christian Yelich, Tanner Murray, first Bowman auto. Shalin Polanco, Jefferson Cuero. Newman. Oh, geez. Jake Cronenworth. And nice purple rookie to 250, Ha-Seong Kim. It's a real rookie box instead of prospect this time. Very popular for the San Diego Padres. Julio Carreras and Blaze Jordan, who's very good. 2 mini boxes to go. I've got to take the bin out as well. I did my time. Now I want out. So keep it Ruiz, Luis Patino, 40-man futures, Austin Wells, Adley Rutschman, and Francisco Alvarez. So obvious. Right. Spencer Howard, Gerald Perdomo, Nolan Gorman, Summer Camp, Drew Waters, Manuel Beltre. Javi Baez, Juan Soto, pink. First Broman to 199, Alexander Vizcaino. That's got to be Kano for the New York Yankees. Po Yu Chen and Eduardo Garcia. Reynolds, Vlad, Maximo Costa, 40-man futures, Kevin Maid, and Josiah Gray. Yadier Molina, Alex Kirilloff. Auto for Oakland. It's the first Bowman of Jordan Diaz. Ed Howard, Marco Luciano. Sanchez, Stevenson, Mike Trout. Nice to 499. Good veteran to pick up. Jay Kelly, Oswald Peraza. I still haven't hit Superfractor, Charlie Backman, Christian Yelich. 40-man futures, Heston Kjerstad, Zach Veen, and Jeter Downs. Newman, Cronenworth, Novel Mate. Is he related? Novi? Sterling Aguilar, Malcolm Nunes. Couple packs to go. We throw ourselves. Alec Boehm, Nolan Arenado. Emerson Hancock, Dawn of Glory, Shalin Polanco, Jefferson Cuero. Three packs to go. Donaldson. To 499, Milka Perez, 40-man futures, Gabriel Arias, Julio Carreras, and Blaze Jordan. Rumuru, Francisco Lindor. First Bowman for the Angels, Adol Vera. Jason Dominguez, G.J. Abrams. No. There was C.J. Abrams, Freddie Freeman, Cabrera. Oh, nice. Six to Sanchez Bowman's Ascension for the Miami Marlins. Six of Sanchez. That is the Tyson Beck designed case hit. Or short print case hit. Sometimes you get one, sometimes you get three. Nick York and Hunter Green. And that is that for Bowman Chrome 5535.